back to my channel Positive Vibes with Simran. So in this video I am gonna share with you a step-by-step makeup tutorial for beginners. So in this video I am gonna create this makeup look which I am wearing today. So there will be total 10 steps of doing this makeup. So if you also want to know how I achieved this makeup look, then watch this video till end. So without any further ado, let's get started with our video.
So before you begin, firstly keep your hair away from your face by tying them with a headband. Now the first step is moisturizer. You can use any moisturizer of your choice. This is basically a prepping step of our makeup. Apply moisturizer all over your face. After it gets completely absorbed into your skin, then move forward to the next step, that is primer. You can use any primer of your choice, but here I am using my homemade DIY primer. I have already uploaded a video over it, so just click on the I button if you want to watch it. So applying primer before your makeup will make it last much longer and will also make your skin look much even and polished. Apply properly, especially in the area where you have open pores. Now let's move forward to the third step, that is foundation. You can use BB cream also. Here I am using Maybelline Fit Me foundation. Take small amount on your hand and apply small dots all over your face. Now it's very important to choose right shade for your foundation. I will make a separate video over it, how to choose perfect shade according to your skin tone. So with the help of a damped beauty blender, just apply it all over your face. You don't have to drag it, you just have to simply pat it slowly into your skin so that foundation or BB cream may get seep into your lines and creases. This will help in giving you more polished and even look. And don't forget to apply it in your neck area. So after applying foundation properly, let's move forward to our fourth step, that is concealer. We usually apply concealer to cover up our dark circles, dark spots and hyperpigmentation. So firstly apply it under your eyes to cover up your dark circles, just at the center of your forehead, at the center of the nose and at the chin. We usually apply it in these three areas because they are the most highest point of our face. So our face will get brighten up after we apply concealer over it. And we are applying it under our eyes just to cover our dark circles. So with the help of the same damp beauty blender, apply it into your skin. You can also apply it if you are having any sort of pigmentation or dark spots, then you can apply it on that area as well. Now let's move forward to our fifth step, that is compact powder. Now to set this concealer, we will apply a thick layer of compact powder wherever we have applied this concealer. So we will apply it under our eyes, at the center of the forehead, at the center of the nose and at the chin area. So wherever you have applied concealer, just apply this compact powder and leave it for about 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, wipe off the excess powder from your face. So doing this step will make your makeup free from fine lines and creases. Now let's move forward to our next sixth step, that is contouring or bronzing. Now you can take any warm shade of your choice according to your skin tone. So here I am using this one. So firstly what you have to do, make a fish face like this. You have to apply contour in this area. Begin at the top part of your ear and add just at the center of your eye. So in this particular area you have to contour. Just take contour on your brush and keep blending it in this direction as I am showing you in this video. So doing this process will make your face look more chiseled and narrow. So similarly you have to do under your jawline so that your jawline may appear more sharper. So overall we can say contouring or bronzing will give a sort of definition to your face. If you are having bigger forehead, then I will recommend you to please contour your forehead also. Keep blending it till your cheekbones. So after contouring your forehead, cheekbones and jawline, it's time to contour your nose. Take any small flat brush of this type. Take the same shade and you have to begin contouring your nose just from the part where your eyebrows are starting till the tip of your nose. So draw a virtual line on both the sides of your nose. Try to make both the lines close to each other so that your nose will appear more sharper, and blend it properly. After this, let's move forward to our 7th step, that is blush. So here I am using this rosy shade for blush from the Savannah Colors palette. Tap off the excess of blush and you have to just apply on the apples of your cheeks like this in the sweeping motion. Blend it with your contour so that it may give more even look. So after applying blush, let's move forward to our 8th step, that is filling eyebrows. To fill my eyebrows, here I will use this grey shade from this palette, and with the help of a brush I will fill my eyebrows. Firstly, I will comb my eyebrows, then I will start filling them. You can use any eyebrow pencil also, but I usually prefer using eyebrow brush for this purpose. Actually, this make my eyebrows look much more natural. I will make a separate video over it, how to fill your brows perfectly. So after filling your eyebrows, let's move forward to the next step, that is the 9th step, our eye makeup. For applying eyeshadow, let me start with this light orange shade. I will firstly apply it in my crease. Then I will move forward to this grey shade. Guys, if you want to know how I did this eye makeup, then you can check out my video by clicking the link in the I button. I have also mentioned its link in the description box. I have explained in detail that how to do eye makeup step by step. So I will complete my look with eyeliner by curling my eyelashes and applying mascara over it. So whole eye makeup is explained by me in that video. You can check out that video as well. So the last 10th step is highlighter. So here I am using Wet n Wild highlighter in the golden shade. So apply it at the center of your nose, on your cheekbones like this, and don't forget to blend it with a brush to avoid harsh lines. Apply it in your chin, on your forehead, and with the help of a small brush, apply it on your brow bone. So typically we used to apply this highlighter on the high points or high areas of our face to enhance them. Don't forget to apply it on your inner corners of your eyes, which will give you a more awake look. And I will complete my look with this Color Bar matte lipstick. So here my makeup look is just complete.
So guys, that's it for today's video. If you find this video helpful, then please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. So till then, meet you next time. Take care. Bye bye.